Hey there, this is Mimi. Yeah, I hear you, Black Ice. I hear you talking to me. But what you don't understand is that I'm responsible for you. You and your feelings. And I refuse to break your heart. So let me break a few things down for you right quick so you know just where I'm coming from. Sitting home alone, and that's all cool, 'cause I am too. The only differences between us are all the different things we've been through. Yeah, I understand that you are a man and you're telling me you're full grown. But when I gave away my heart back in the day, I wish that I would have known. I gave away my trust, it all turned to dust, and I had nowhere to go. It's not a fantasy to try and be with me, I'm just a simple girl, you know. It's not all fun and games, sometimes there'll be pain, and I don't want to wreck your world. So can I take your hand? I want you to understand that I'm here to be your girl. I'll be your tour guide, let's go on and drop our pride and see if our ones can become two. The key to this thing is to take it real slow, boy, you already know. So let's be friends, that's a good place to start. You already know I refuse to break your heart. So if you don't know and you just can't deal, then maybe we should chill. You're so precious, you're so special. You're so precious, you're so special. Yeah, bust it, baby. That's the Cinderella to your umbrella. I'm Mimi, and I'm out.